Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you Fleece Performance Engineering's LB7 fuel pressure lines. Fleece has really invested in producing high pressure injection lines for pretty much all of the light duty diesel platforms that we see out there. Now, they have seen the want in the customer base where guys want to replace these high pressure injection lines on these trucks. And one of our best sellers in that category from Fleece is for the LB7 Duramax injectors. Now, the LB7 Duramax injector, we all know, is a pretty common failure point in those trucks. You're going to have the valve covers off the truck, you're going to have the injectors out, you're going to have the lines off the truck. The more times you do that, the more chances that you have of deforming the fuel injection lines and thereby compromising the sealing surface of the fuel injector lines at the fuel injectors themselves. So enter in Fleece with their LB7 injection line set. This is a really nice set. These are not remanufactured lines. We don't need a core back on these. These are brand new fuel injection lines from Fleece on your LB7. Now, another thing that goes on with your fuel injection lines on the LB7 trucks is when you actually loosen up the fuel injection line passes through the valve cover to the injectors are underneath the valve cover. When you loosen up that nut, the corrosion that is allowed to escape past the nut down the fuel injection line, that corrosion that is at the fuel injection line will actually wind up at the inlet of the or the edge filter of the fuel injector themselves. A lot of guys see that and they just simply do not want to reuse those lines. They don't want to try to clean them. They don't want to do any of that. They want to just get a new line. And this is the opportunity you have from Fleece to be able to get that. Now, Fleece offers these as individual lines. You can get them for the individual cylinders themselves, or they sell them as a complete set. So if you're doing a full set of 8 injectors on the truck, you can get the full setup for your truck, and it really gives you a peace of mind. I mean, just cleans up the fuel injector lines, cleans up the engine bay, gives you a better line. You know, checks all of the boxes for something that you're wanting to do. When you're working in common rail injection systems, cleanliness is key to a good install and the overall health of the injection system. And one of the first steps that you can take to cleanliness of the installation is to install new high pressure fuel injection lines. So if you have a question about any of Fleece's fuel injector lines or the LB7 lines in particular, please give us a call, and we thank you for watching.